Milk chocolate. Milk chocolate is the most common type of chocolate bar found on store shelves. It is made by combining cocoa solids, cocoa butter, sugar, and milk powder, which gives it a smooth texture and a sweet, creamy taste. This style of chocolate became popular in the late 1800s when manufacturers learned how to mix milk into chocolate without spoiling it. Its mild flavor makes it a favorite for everyday snacking and for use in many well-known candy bars. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains a higher percentage of cocoa solids and less milk than milk chocolate, which gives it a richer and slightly bitter taste. The percentage written on the wrapper, such as 70% or 85%, shows how much cocoa is inside. This type is often chosen by people who enjoy a deeper chocolate flavor or who prefer less sweetness. Dark chocolate has been used for centuries, especially in Europe, and it is also commonly used in baking because it melts well and adds strong flavor. White chocolate. White chocolate looks different because it contains cocoa butter but no cocoa solids, which means it does not have the brown color of other chocolates. It is made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk, resulting in a pale, creamy bar with a very sweet taste. Some people enjoy its buttery flavor, while others see it as a dessert ingredient rather than traditional chocolate. It is often used in baking, drizzling, and decorative sweets because of its smooth texture. Filled chocolate bars. Filled chocolate bars have a layer of chocolate on the outside and a soft or creamy filling on the inside. These fillings can include caramel, peanut butter, fruit cream, mint, or hazelnut spread. The contrast between the hard outer shell and the soft center makes them satisfying to bite into. Many classic candy bars use this style, and it allows companies to mix chocolate with many different flavors. Nut chocolate bars. Nut chocolate bars combine chocolate with whole or chopped nuts such as almonds, peanuts, hazelnuts, or cashews. The nuts add crunch and a slightly roasted flavor that balances the sweetness of the chocolate. This type of bar has been popular for decades because it feels more filling and offers a mix of textures. It is commonly found in both milk and dark chocolate varieties. Wafer chocolate bars. Wafer chocolate bars include thin layers of crispy wafer stacked between layers of chocolate or cream. The wafers give the bar a light and crunchy texture that breaks easily when bitten. These bars are often lighter than solid chocolate bars, which makes them appealing as a quick snack. Many international brands use wafers because they allow for larger bars without making them too heavy. Caramel chocolate bars. Caramel chocolate bars feature a thick layer of chewy caramel covered in chocolate. Caramel is made by heating sugar until it turns golden and develops a rich flavor, then mixing it with butter or cream. When combined with chocolate, it creates a soft, stretchy center that contrasts with the outer shell. This style is widely loved because of its sweet and slightly buttery taste. Peanut butter chocolate bars. Peanut butter chocolate bars mix chocolate with creamy or slightly salty peanut butter filling. The peanut butter provides a smooth, rich center that balances the sweetness of the chocolate. This combination became especially popular in the United States, where peanuts are widely used in snacks. The mix of sweet and salty flavors keeps it appealing to many different tastes. Fruit and nut chocolate bars. Fruit and nut chocolate bars include dried fruits such as raisins, cranberries, or orange peel along with nuts. The dried fruit adds natural sweetness and a slightly chewy texture, while the nuts provide crunch. This style has roots in traditional European chocolate making, where dried fruits were added to create variety and richness. It often feels more wholesome compared to plain chocolate. Biscuit chocolate bars. Biscuit chocolate bars contain pieces of crunchy biscuit mixed into the chocolate. The biscuit pieces stay firm inside the bar, giving a satisfying snap when bitten. This type became popular when manufacturers experimented with mixing baked goods into chocolate to create more texture. It offers a balance between the smoothness of chocolate and the dryness of biscuits,